Hello, friends. Today we will cook something delicious. Start by placing 8 chicken fillets on a board. If you haven't bought them pre-prepared, no worries. Simply cut chicken breast lengthwise to achieve the same result. Cover the pieces with plastic wrap and give them a light pounding. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from. It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Add salt. And black pepper. Now, let's prepare a delicious filling. Grate 1 carrot. And put it into a bowl. Grate 4 ounces or 120 grams of any soft cheese. And add it to the bowl. Then finely chop a bunch of parsley. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like, as it's the best reward from you. And add it to the grated carrot and cheese. Add 3 tablespoons of sour cream. And give it all a good stir. Now it's time to roll. If you have any questions about the recipe, write to me and I will answer as soon as I see it in the comment. Then wrap each piece in bacon. Take a baking dish. Drizzle it with olive oil. If you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. And place chicken rolls in it. Then they go into the oven for 40 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. While our cheesy bacon-wrapped wonders are baking, let's cook a quick potato side dish. Take 4 potatoes and slice them as shown in the video. Then put potatoes into a bowl. Add some olive oil. One teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And 1 teaspoon of oregano. Then grate 2 cloves of garlic. Add them to the bowl, and give it all a good stir. Take a baking dish and place the potatoes into it. Put it into the oven preheated at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Then for the salad, slice 3 tomatoes. Put them into a bowl. Cut 5 mini cucumbers into rings. Finely chop 1 bell pepper. Cut 1 avocado as shown in the video. Tear 4 ounces or 120 grams of soft mozzarella cheese. Chop 1 red onion. Put it into a small bowl. And pour with 1 cup of boiling water, and add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to make it softer. Let it stay for 5 minutes and then add it to the bowl with the salad. In a small bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Give it a good stir. Pour this dressing over the salad and mix well. Take out those cheesy bacon-wrapped delights, plate them up with potatoes and fresh salad, and get ready for a burst of flavors. And there you have it, our cheesy bacon-wrapped chicken fillet rolls served with potatoes and a crunchy salad. Thanks for joining me today on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking.